Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to do a leg break dance. Before attempting any moves, it is crucial to prepare your body. Start with a dynamic warm-up, lasting at least 15 to 20 minutes to loosen your muscles and joints. Always practice in an open, clear space to avoid accidents. Mastering basic footwork and freezes will build a strong foundation for more complex leg breaks. Remember, safety and preparation are key to a successful dance journey. The core of a leg break involves a smooth sweeping motion. Begin in a crouched position, supporting yourself with one hand. Extend one leg and sweep it in a wide circle around your body. As it comes around, hook it behind your other ankle. This creates a can opener effect. Keep your knee close to the floor throughout the sweep, spinning on your supporting foot for a fluid, continuous movement. Practice this slowly to build control. Once you have the basic leg break down, it's time to add your personal flair. Try connecting your leg break with other footwork, like a coffee grinder, for seamless transitions. Explore different leg positions and angles to create unique freezes and dynamic shapes. Incorporate spins and rolls to make your movements more fluid and visually engaging. The goal is to link these elements together, creating a continuous, flowing sequence that showcases your individual style. Consistent practice is essential for improvement, but always prioritize safety. Listen to your body. If something hurts, take a break. Consider using protective gear, such as knee and elbow pads, especially when attempting more dynamic moves. Gradually increase the intensity and complexity of your training as your strength and flexibility improve. Remember, mastering proper technique at a slower pace will prevent injuries and build a solid foundation for long-term progress.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.